Now come to exercise 12.4. See question number 1. Observe the pattern of digits made from the line segments of equal length. You will find such segment digits on the display of electronic watches or calculators. See A part, it is written 6. How many line segments are required? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The 3 and 6 line segments are required for making 1 6. Then 2 6, 11 line segments, 3 6, 16 line segments and so on. What is the general form? It is 5n plus 1. Now you have to calculate how many segments are required to form 5 6, 10 6 and 100 digits of the kind 6. To see A part, what is the general form? Let's see first part. General form is it is 5n plus 1. Here you have to find out number of line segments for 5 digits. Put n is equal to 5. Therefore, 5n plus 1 equal to 5. Replace n by 5 plus 1. 5 5 ja 25 plus 1 equal to 26. This is your answer. Now second part, put n is equal to 10. Therefore, 5n plus 1 equal to 5. Replace n by 10 plus 1 equal to 5 into 10, 50 plus 1, that is 51. Now third part, put n is equal to 100. Therefore, 5n plus 1 equal to 5 into 100 plus 1. 5 into 100, it is 500 plus 1 equal to 501. This is your answer. Now come to B part. See the solution. What is the general form? Here see, here it is written 4. How many line segments are required for writing 1 4? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. It is 4. For 2 fours, it is 7. For 3 fours, it is 10 and so on. What is the general form? It is 3n plus 1. Therefore, general form, first part, what is the general form? General form equal to 3n plus 1. Here put n equal to 5. Therefore, 3n plus 1 equal to, here replace n by 5. You can write 3 into 5 plus 1 equal to, open the bracket, 3 5 is 15 plus 1, that is 16. Now come to the second part. Put n is equal to 10. Therefore, 3n plus 1 equal to, here replace n by 10. You can write 3 in the bracket 10 plus 1. Open the bracket, 3 into 10, 30 plus 1. You will get 31. This is your answer. Now third part. Put n is equal to 100. Therefore, 3n plus 1 equal to, here replace n by 100. It is 3. In place of n, write down 100 plus 1. Open the bracket, 3 into 100, 300 plus 1 equal to 301. This is your answer. Now come to C part. See the solution. Here it is written 8. How many line segments are required? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you have to write 2, 8, then 12 line segments will be required. In 3, 8, 17 line segments are required, and so on. What is the general form? It is 5n plus 2. Here general form equal to 5n plus 2. Here say first part, put n is equal to 5. Therefore, 5n plus 2, here replace n by 5. You will get 5 multiplied by 5 plus 2. That is 5 5 is 25 plus 2 equal to 25 plus 2, 27. This is your answer. See second part. Put n is equal to 10. Therefore, 5n plus 2 equal to, replace n by 10. It can be written as 5 into 10 plus 2. 5 into 10, 50 plus 2 equal to 52. This is your answer. Now come to third part. Put n is equal to 100. Therefore, 5n plus 2, here replace n by 100. It can be written as 5 into 100 plus 2. 5 into 100, 500 plus 2. That is 502. This is your answer.